Okay. Hello. Whenever you're watching this, I greet you. So I'm doing this video today for you that just got the Digitstem affiliate program, the digital marketing called the Ultimate Money Machine. So I'm doing this video to explain to you what you need to do next. I'm sure you've checked your email and you've gotten your login credentials and you're wondering what to do next. If you go down that email, you will still see where to log in. But you can still log in from here. Go to your Google Chrome and just go to this and just type. I have Digitstem already here. So I will just show you. This is digitstem.com. Have you seen the digitstem.com? You click on it and it's going to open. Let's wait for it to open. You will log in. When it opens, you log in with the login credentials you got in your email. Okay, so you're waiting for it to open. My network is okay. So it's open now. So I'm going to click on this three dash here. Dashboard, but it's supposed to tell me login, maybe because I've logged in before. It just tells me dashboard, but here that have dashboard is supposed to be login. So if you have login there, just click on it and put your details that you got from your email. I want to go back here. Now when you come here, this is the affiliate site. This is not how it's supposed to look. This may not be. Let me see if I can go back to how you will see it when you open your own. This Digitstem affiliate program has different dashboards. This one that is open now is the affiliate dashboard. I'm trying to see if I can go back and see. Now the one that's open now is the affiliate dashboard. Okay, so when you open it, you will see affiliate dashboard, you see e-learning, and you see the DigiMoney. So the one open now is the affiliate dashboard. So affiliate dashboard is where you will get your affiliate link, but let me not talk about that. You want to learn. So this is the e-learning. This is the course you bought. You click on the e-learning. Click on the e-learning. It's opening. It's coming up. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, it's open now. So this is the course you bought. This is the ultimate money machine you bought. Look at it. This one is, it has there are 5 courses that you in one that you bought here. This is the ultimate money machine 2.0. If you click on it now, this one is ultimate ad mastery course. This one is the blogging and WordPress course, and this one is the ultimate money machine course. Let me open this one. So when anyone you want to start learning, click on it. Just click on here. Click here. It's opening. So these are all the courses you bought now. But I suggest you start from this ultimate money machine course. So it's coming up. So look at it. It contains 21 lessons. Let's see the things you're going to learn in this course. You will learn copywriting. So anyone you want to watch now, you just come and click on it. Sorry. Click on it, I believe it's coming up. Is it? Okay, let me see. Okay, watch now. Okay. This first one is the highlighted one. I think that's the one that will start playing now. It's coming out, it's still loading. Okay. So this first one is the one playing now. Okay. The second one, let me check the second one. So these are different things. This is YouTube monetization. This is YouTube monetization. A lot of things is not something that you learn overnight. You will take your time and be learning as you go. Okay. Let me see. So this one is up now. If I click on this red thing now, it will start playing. But that's not what I'm here. My network is slowing down. So this is the one of the courses. Let me go back. Anyone you want to click on, you click on it. So this is the ultimate money machine. There is also the Facebook ad course that will teach you how to run Facebook ad. This ultimate money machine is about how to sell things online. Remember that this course that you bought now, you're also an affiliate marketer. You have the right to sell this course and earn 50% commission. You bought the course 15,000 naira. You can also sell it to your friends and get commission. Get 7,500. That's 50% commission. Is it 50%? That'll be 40%. I can't remember. Okay. So I'm trying to go back. Let me pause this thing. Okay. I've come back here. So we went into this ultimate money machine. And this is ultimate ad mastery course. If you want to learn how to run Facebook ad and whatever. Now, so all these are different courses. Maybe you start from this one. This one is the upgraded version of the ultimate money machine. This with AI. Maybe you start with that. Start with this ultimate money machine 2.0. That is the upgraded one. I've not even gone through it. I've not watched it. It's the upgraded one. The one we bought was this ultimate money machine, the first one. Okay, this one, not the upgraded one. So the upgraded one is, I believe, is better. So you can start with that, the ultimate money machine 2.0 AI version. So start from there. Now remember I told you that as this course you got now, you can also sell it to your friends. How? I'm sure you are wondering how. Let's go to this 3 dash here. Let's go back. Now I told you that there are 3 sections in this site. You have the e-learning. E-learning is where we are coming from now. Now we have the affiliate dashboard and this Digimoney. I don't really know what the Digimoney is. I've not gone there. The one so the affiliate dashboard, let's open it, is where you will get your affiliate link for this particular course and other courses you can sell to your friends, people that want to learn different things, what you are selling in digital products. So this is your affiliate link dashboard. This is your affiliate dashboard. This is my own affiliate dashboard. Your own will be showing something else. So you come back here and go to marketplace. Okay, marketplace is where you will get the link, your own link for this course, so that you can use the link and send to your friends. So this is the marketplace now. This is this course you just bought, ultimate money machine. So you're going to click on promote. This link will come out. Are you seeing this link here? You're going to copy it. Okay, this is the link I sent to you that you clicked on and you saw different things. So when you copy it, you go and drop it somewhere. You can just drop it somewhere. Okay, just drop it somewhere that you can copy it. So this link now, anybody that clicks on it and decides to buy this course, you will get a commission. Okay, let me go back to where I'm coming from. So this is not the only course here. There are other courses. You can also get the link. This is Amazon KDP. People that want to learn how to, there are many courses here. These are all digital products. So you are now, this one is importation. People that want to learn different courses that people want to learn, you help them get the information and let them buy. And when they buy, you get a commission. Okay, let me even check how much commission for this one. This ultimate money machine, this one is 50%. So I don't know if it's 15%, you are getting, if it's 15,000, you are getting 7,500. Okay, so that is, by the way. Now you'll be wondering, how will I sell? How will I, just to talk to your friends? Or there is also a WhatsApp channel where information are frequent trainings are being given for new people to teach them how to promote. And there is also a prepared viral video you can use to post on your social, maybe on TikTok. Where is that video, Seth? I will send you the link to this video. There are up to 50 videos here that is just explaining, like a short video. I think it's here. Where is it again? I think it's this one. So there are 50 videos there that is explaining things about the course. So if you're on TikTok or you can even use the video on your WhatsApp, and just short videos. There are up to 50 of them. You use it to advertise the product, and people will be asking you, what is this product about? And you share the link, your own link to them. And there are other weekly trainings that we have for new people that don't know how to sell. Okay, this is not something that you learn overnight, but with time you understand. The network is acting up, but this contains, all these are videos. There are up to 50 of them, just short videos. I will send you this link explaining what a Digitstem is. Just short video. If you want to learn more, click, all those short advert videos. So these videos can also help you promote it. So let me just round up this video so that it will not be too long and confusing for you. Now that you have bought this course, 2 things you need to do. You need to learn. As you are learning, be sharing the opportunity to other people. There are many people that are playing with their phone. Okay, there are a lot of teenagers that are playing with their phone, doing nothing. So as you are learning, share the opportunity with your friends to come and learn too. And when they come and learn too, you earn money. That's just it. 2 things: learn and earn. That's all. Learn and sell. 2 things. So maybe not make it too complicated for you. 2 things you need to be doing: learn, because the most important thing is the learning. Get a skill. There are many skills there. Choose one, and if it's to run Facebook ad, learn it. If it's to do blogging, learn it. It's there. If it's to do Facebook monetization, it's there. If it's to sell, it's there. So choose one and learn it very well. But while you are learning, make sure you are sharing the opportunity with others so that they can also come and learn too. That is where the affiliate marketing comes. And for everybody that comes to buy this course, you also get a commission that will be yours totally. I'm not sharing any percentage of it with you. It will be totally yours. So I just want to welcome you to this program. If you are a parent watching this video, I want to encourage you to enroll your child to be part of this program. Okay, it's not good for your child to just be playing with their smartphone. Let them be productive with it. Okay, and also make money with it. If you are a teenager watching this video, this is also for you. Make sure that you're not playing with your smartphone. This course is just 15,000 naira. Get on board and begin to make extra money with your smartphone. So God bless you. See you on the other side.